Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make pounded yam in your own house. We're going to use our mixer to do our pounded yam, and I bet you it's going to be super delicious. So come along with me and let's do this together. So all what we need is yam. This is a very big yam. You can get it from Afro-Caribbean store. So what we'll do is just peel it and cut it into very small pieces so that when it is cooked on the fire, we'll put it in the mixer so that we'll be able to do well and everything will be pounded just the right way. Because we are making pounded yam, please do not use this side of the yam because this is the head of it. Is sometimes mostly hard, so when you pound it, it is not almost poundable, so most times it's not used. I should let you know. I've cut the yam into pieces this size. Though we are making pounded yam, because we are not pounding, we're actually using the mixer. We want this to be okay for the mixer to be able to handle it. So I will just pour in water and cover it. Please do not use salt. Cook it until it's done. Let's check our yam. Very soft. Now we're going to transfer it into the mixer. Trying to transfer it into the mixer. We'll be using the dough hook. Look at it. I'm going to be adding a little bit of the water from cooking the yam. That is it. From time to time you need to scrape down the sides. Very stretchy. Let's try our pounded yam. Oh, look at it. With vegetable, you can have it with your okra, any type of soup you want. Very nice. When it comes to cooking, it's good for you to explore. We have explored today and we have discovered that right in our kitchen we can make pounded yam, allowing the mixer to do it for us. Ours is just to eat it, and you saw how stretchy it was, just like the normal pounded yam. It's time for me to go and enjoy my pounded yam in full force. But before I go, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family so that they too will know what they can do with their mixer at home.